what a glamorous day to live my... Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. How embarrassing is it to admit you're that dirty on national internet? Well, good thing I'm shameless. What's up guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my really messy room. I know. Every year I tell myself I'm gonna be clean and then I never am. But this year I am pretty dead set on keeping it. So I decided today we should start out by, well, getting clean in the first place. As a true shopaholic, I just have so many things in my house. It's honestly kind of hard to keep it clean most of the time. But we're gonna go through and kind of Marie Kondo everything and get rid of whatever doesn't spark joy. All those men that are ghosting me, thrown away, gone. No, I mean, yes, but anyways, that's another video. So today in the middle of January, we're gonna do a little bit of spring cleaning. So without further ado, here we go. Cleaning my room. Ugh, this might take a while. By the way, yes, I am literally wearing Justin Bieber merch. How funny is that? I don't know. Like I said, shopaholic, I buy anything, but I actually thought this was pretty cute. Free promo. You're welcome, Justin Bieber. I'll invoice you later. But alrighty, so my room. So honestly, I'm really embarrassed to even show this, but here's my room. It looks all nice and glamorous, but da 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 da. It's actually a mess. Like I said, I just order way too much stuff online, so honestly, it looks like this 99% of the time, and yeah. Really getting on my last nerve. So why don't you just throw it all under your bed? Because under my bed is also already full. What can you do? My closet's full of all these costumey things and other random shenanigans. So much craft stuff. And too many clothes to even like keep track of. I don't even have hangers for all of them. Some of them literally are just on the floor. Like overflowing. And honestly, I'm not even gonna show you my bathroom yet because it's like that bad. Before I even show you how dirty my bathroom is, I think I need to like clean my bathroom so you guys don't unsubscribe to my channel. But anywho, that's what we're dealing with. So I actually Googled how to clean your room when it's disgusting, and a couple of things came up, but mostly it just says to first start with the things that you know you for sure don't want. So first, we're getting a trash bag and we're getting rid of everything, which is gonna be really hard because I'm a hoarder, but okay, let's try. So with that, I grabbed the trash bags, George in the background, played some certified bops, may I suggest, and we got right to it. Okay, more like I danced for a long time, but eventually I did get to it, so I decided to start with the things under the bed because, you know, monsters. Just kidding, no monsters, but there is a lot of stuff under here. I don't even know what it is. I throw things under here all the time. Turned out it was a lot of PR packages, so I'll be doing some giveaways, I think. But yeah, also weirdly was the love of my life under there. I don't know why he ended up there, so we need to put him in his rightful place, but it is hilarious what you find under your bed. Like, oh my God, are you kidding me? Look at this. This is the OG Razor. This is my very first phone. Why do I have this? I don't know. Coachella pictures. Oh God, these are so funny. Wow, Tri Delta formal. This was all of us in college. How crazy was that? Wow. Oh my goodness, we were so funny back then. Wow, this is hilarious. Cool. Kind of empty. It starts to get kind of more organized, sort of, a little bit, kind of, and I get more exhausted and sweaty. Now we're gonna move on to my drawers because they are a mess. As you can see, I have literally just trash in them, like so much stuff, but I organized them a little bit, so now they're slightly more organized. Okay, so we're gonna take a break from throwing stuff away, and I'm gonna try and organize my dresser. Most of my drawers look like this. Everything is just kind of thrown around in there, no real oh, this one is actually kind of organized. Sort of. I think to organize this, we're literally just gonna have to throw everything out of here and put it back in. So I did just that. I threw everything out and then put it all right back in. It's okay, so now it's like not perfectly organized, but we got my bras kind of laid out here. We've got a nice little sock arrangement, and then in the back here are all my like pantyhose and tights and stuff. My extra nice lingerie, the bra that I bought in Dubai, and you know, some of the fancy stuff. And these are my pajamas. These are all little sets. I know I'm not gonna keep it actually organized, so this is as organized as I can get, but these look like this. Honestly, does not look cute on the floor, but I swear to you, these are super cute. This is what I wear to bed every night. You know, that's kind of organized. For me, it is anyway. I'm exhausted. This is literally exhausting. And I've barely done anything yet. So I think we're gonna go try to clean out my other closet now. Alright, so this is actually pretty much clean. I usually keep this in good order because this is like all of my nice jewelry and stuff, so I like that. I like cleaned out the drawers, so there's not even really anything in there, so that's cool. I guess that leaves me a little bit of extra space, but that's clean. So now, let's get to the storage closet. Yes, a closet full of, well, everything. Okay, so this storage closet is literally just a disaster. It has all these like crafty things in it, all these things I use for costumes, for videos. I just have a lot of random shenanigans in here, so I desperately need to clean that out. As you can see, none of it's organized at all. Like all the craft stuff is just everywhere. So I literally went through all of it and we organized it through the trash and the trash bags and organized it to the best semblance I could. So I have basically my own little Benjamin store right in my own closet. Okay, my actual closet. Okay, so my actual closet is a mess. I literally have stuff all over the place because I have too much stuff. I don't even have hangers for all of it. It's just a disaster. Even my shoes are looking a little wonky. Like I have stuff in piles on the floor. I have stuff hiding behind stuff. It's just like not good. So we're gonna go through it. If it doesn't spark joy, it's out of here. And you know what that means. Time for a fashion show. So I got the two piles out. We got the donate pile and I had a sell pile, but honestly I ended up deciding I'm just gonna donate all of it to a shelter. So into the piles it all went. I saw if it sparked joy and I saw if, well, it didn't. We tried on lots of crazy outfits. Pink, black, green, beige, everything in between. Giant bow shirts, giant gold dress shirts. Oh my God, this fringy thing that still had a tag on it. Oops, my bad. Honestly, so fun. I love trying on my random clothes in my closet. There is never a shortage of weird, bizarre things. Like, what even is this? I have no idea. That being said, I kept them. And eventually, we got a giant pile. Whew, lots of stuff getting donated. So, wow, I really need to work out more. In between takes, I decided to do the laundry so I can change my sheets on my bed and make it fabulous and clean. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. I also decided this was a perfect chance to finally organize my thousands of hair extensions. So, by the way, you guys have been asking, the hair extensions I use now are from a brand called Luxie Hair. I love their packaging. It's so cute, but that's aside the point. I did a little mini tutorial of me clipping them in earlier here, but they're premium quality 100% Remy human hair extensions. They're ethically sourced, sustainably made, perfect for adding length and volume to the hair. Takes me less than a minute to put on and looks so freaking fabulous after. Oh my goodness, yes ma'am, we are a hair extension queen. So P.S. shout out to Luxie Hair for sponsoring this video and of course for making me look fabulous all the time. You can shop the link in the video description if you want to twin with me. Point is, I have a million sets, so they're finally organized, looking groovy. I even left some of them out on my bathroom because they look that pretty. Anyways, like I said, my actual closet, absolute disaster. So we went through it and rearranged all of the things in there and color coordinated them. I made all the colors have their own little nice section, so it's slightly more organized. I rearranged all my shoes, my hats. I kind of rearranged my drawers, sort of. And it looks pretty groovy if you ask me. I love it. Okay, so I've changed literally 500 times in this video. Isn't this cute? Look at that. I'm pretty sure this is Ariana Grande and Toulouse, but I kind of thought it looked like me and George too. So anyways, dun dun dun. We're gonna go to the bathroom. Okay, so my bathroom is literally full of no pun intended. But yeah, my drawers are full of stuff I don't want or use, so I'm cleaning it out. Honestly, this is a preview of kind of what it looks like. It's a mess. So we went ahead and started with the drawers and just emptied it all out. Got rid of everything I'm not using and reorganized the stuff that I did want to keep to make it fabulous. I washed my makeup brushes. I even Swiffered the floors, which is something I literally never do. And reorganized the towels, lit some candles, got it all in the mood to be clean. And, well, are you ready to see the final product? Drum roll, please. Ba-da-da-da. Okay, are you guys ready to see it clean? Dun da da da! He's shiny, he's beautiful, he's clean. Oh wow, it's so clean. I don't even remember the last time I could see my floor. This is so exciting. Goodness, I feel like the most organized, most New Year's resolutionized person in the entire universe. I'm living. Good job, sis. Good job. Like, look at this. Oh my God, even the closet is clean. This is so exciting. Beautiful. We'll see how long this lasts. I am pooped. By the way, I took off all my makeup. Look at my skin right now, though. Looks pretty good. Anyways, there you have it. That is me cleaning out My room, that took, I think, literally a full 25 hours. Not really, but it did take like 15 hours and I'm really tired. So I'm gonna go to bed, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna try my best to keep my room clean. Please, please, please hold me to keeping my room clean. I really wanna be a clean person, so I will do my best. But on that note, I love you guys. Kisses from me and my clean room, at least for now. XO. I know you, I danced with you once upon a clean. Good night.